Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Tammy. How has your weekend been? Mine's been busy. Yesterday helped my mom move into her new house. She's got a really good setup now. She's got a great house. It's all on one level. She's in the town. She's in a different town than I am. It's about 30 minutes away. And but she's on kind of the outside of town now, and to look out her kitchen window and windows, she's got two, and then the living room and bedroom window in the back side of the house, it looks back onto pasture basically with really pretty white fence, and she's sorry for the language, but there's 3 donkeys that live back there and a couple of cows. And my uncle and her neighbor were joking that they've got asses for neighbors. So anyway, it's really a sweet location for her. She's gonna really love living there. Anyway, so what are we here for today? So I've kind of had this idea in the back of my mind. I watched a video, I'm so sorry I cannot remember her name right now, but her channel is Treasure Books. You should definitely go look her up. I will leave a link in my description box below to her tutorial on how she shows how she does her version of it. This is going to be my version of the book. So I thought we'd kind of make it together, but basically what she did was she made like this accordion spine, and this is 3 pieces of 8.5 by 11 cardstock, and scored every 2 inches, and then glued together. And I need to clean this up because I screwed up this, but so that's what this is. And then you're going to have, each piece is going to have one short end. And basically when it's in the book, these pieces, actually it would be like this. These pieces will be glued down to your book covers. I don't have book covers made yet. What I wanted to do was see how big this would be, and then I'll make the covers to match and be the right size. So pretty much what it's going to be is this will be like in the book like this, and so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's what she had too. Good. We're doing well so far. Pardon my fingernails, they look really dirty and grody. I've been doing a lot of distress stains today, so okay, staining some papers for another project. Okay, so what I've got is I found these at Tuesday morning, when? In July, so 2 months ago. And what you're supposed to do with these is make a wreath or something. I don't know. Came with lights. But when I saw these, I immediately thought back to her video tutorial of what she did, because basically what she did was took her scrap pieces of paper and cut them into just like shapes like a square or a petal, or just, you know, different common 3 different shapes, and then she arranged them in here so that that was pretty much your pages. It's hard to explain. I'll show you what I'm talking about, but do go and watch her video, because it really is, it's a really cool idea. So I'm gonna, depending on how this goes, I might be doing more of these, so we'll see how that goes. But so I've got these, and then I also had picked these up. I don't know if it was this year or if it was from last year, but these are from Hobby Lobby, and as you can see, I got them on clearance for 75 cents. So I thought these would be fun to pair with those. And then recently was at the dollar store, Dollar Tree, and picked up this package of fabric leaves and this package of leaf ribbon, I guess is what they're calling it. I'm actually not real sure what this is gonna look like. It may not be quite right. Well, these look more like feathers than leaves, so I don't know. We'll see if we use this or not. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not sure where this is gonna head, but I thought I could take bits and pieces of scraps that I've had from some past projects and stickers and, you know, embellishments and things, and kind of make this a cool little thing. So for this video, I'm just going to basically lay out how I want my leaves to look and get them kind of situated where they're gonna be. So yeah, quickly again, this is 3 pieces of craft cardstock, 8.5 by 11 size. I got it from Michaels. It's their brand, the Recollections brand. And so let me show you how I connected them. So now I'm trying to find where I even did that. Okay, so here is where the first piece ends, and then I glued that to the second piece, and then here's where the second piece ends. And you see here, this is the short one, and I got a little bit of glue there, and then that's the last piece. So what you want is your 2 short pieces to be on the sides, facing down, and then she recommended writing this side down so that when you're doing this project you don't forget. And then you'll have 7 peaks in the middle. So what she did then was basically arranged her I don't know how to open this arranged her pieces in the boards. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do here. So let me get all these out. I don't think I'll need all of these, but I'll have them out and ready. Really, I want these to be the main star because these are really cool. I probably have enough here to make 2 of these journals with. Depending on how fast it goes, I might just do that. But, oh yeah, okay, so they were saying you can make a garland, I guess, out of this. So, hang it from a string and wrap the stem around the string. So that's a good idea, too. That's cute. Okay. Alright, so, basically the idea is to kind of, well, and my fan is going, so I might just put them in. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Put them in like this for now, and yeah, this is stop laughing at me. Okay, is this what you would call a craft fail? Well, I might need to turn off the fan because this is gonna be a long video otherwise. Alright, hold please, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's try that again. Okay, so what I was trying to do was kind of position these leaves in just various places in here, and I'm kind of trying to pay attention to leaf shape, color, etc. As you can see, we've got lots of fun ones. Alright. And I'm going to go on both sides. So this is going to get a little tricky with having them stand up, but we'll see how this goes. I may have to do this off camera. We'll see. I'm not sure. Okay. I love all these colors. And then just knocking everything over. All right, so what I think I'll do is do this off camera, and I'll have it, this is too funny. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is too much. Okay. So why don't I quickly show you what I was trying to think I might do. I was thinking maybe like either gluing these on top or kind of, yeah, showing them in just a little bit of a different way on top of these other leaves, kind of like that. So that it's a little bit dimensional. I might even tack them down with the sewing machine. I'm not sure. So I think what I might do, just to not bore you all and have this be completely a disaster, is figure out how many leaves will fit on each tray back and forth, and then this is stupid. Okay. Stupid as in it's not working and it's getting frustrating. And then I'll plan out how many leaves I need and then the colors that I want, and I'll go ahead and decorate them, and we'll come back and then I'll tack them into place with just a dab of glue before I sew them in. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm being very careful not to breathe. But I kind of wanted to just give you a somewhat of an example of what this might end up looking like. I've figured that 3 leaves on each side will fit. And so if you do that, that would be 42 leaves. Some of them I have kind of decorated already with I wanted to decorate these plain ones with some of these fabric leaves. So in our next video of this project, I think what we'll do is decorate leaves. So I'll kind of pick out 42 leaves that I want to decorate, and yeah, we'll go from there. So, all right, hopefully this is a fun little project, and we can get this knocked out this week, and yeah, and I'll have it for sale at the end of the, well, if it turns out well, I'll have it for sale in my Etsy shop. So anyway, hope you all have a great rest of your evening and a very nice start to the week next week, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!